What is the best dental, vision, and hearing plan for those on Medicare? This is a question we get asked in my office all the time from clients of ours. And in this video, I'm actually going to break down and explain what I view in most scenarios is the best dental, vision, and hearing plan for people on Medicare. Now, if you're on a Medicare Advantage plan, oftentimes Medicare Advantage plans can, in some areas, provide dental, vision, and hearing benefits. Sometimes they're very rich. Sometimes they leave a little bit to be desired. And of course, if you have a Medicare supplement plan, it's essentially a foregone conclusion that you will not have any dental, vision, and hearing benefits included because they don't come with them. They're medical only in almost every single situation. Okay, so this could be a fit for some people. It might not be a fit for everybody, but without further ado, let's jump in and we'll talk about what I view as the best plan available right now for the people on Medicare for their dental, vision, and hearing. So this plan's overall prices and overall maximum payout limit varies from state to state. However, this is a good breakdown of what it can look like in a majority of areas. Okay, so the eligibility for this plan is ages 18 to 99 years old. So this can be available for even individuals that are under the age of 65, but it just so happens to work great for people on Medicare that need dental, vision, and hearing coverage since Medicare does not come with these benefits. So dental plans always break down your services into three categories. This is something that's universal, and it gives you a really good way of kind of analyzing the plan when you understand these three categories. You have preventative services, basic services, and major services. Okay. In this plan, it does have a network, and in some areas the network is very strong. In other areas the network is not very strong, but as you can tell, this is a PPO plan, so it does give you availability of using it outside of the network as well. Just when you go inside of the network, not only in some ways is your coverage better, but you also get the contracted discounted rate with the dentist to where their services go down just by being contracted, right? So it's almost like you get a double discount in a way, right? So like, let's say, for example, a dentist charges $1,000 normally cash price for a crown, and with the insurance, and don't take these numbers to heart, it's just kind of an example, but instead of charging $1,000, they work out a deal with the insurance company where they're only going to charge $700 or $800, right? So if the insurance pays a percentage of that, it's going to pay a percentage of the lower number, right? So you're always better off by staying in network, and the network is going to be really strong in some areas and not so strong in other areas, but overall, this is a really, really great plan. So dental plans typically, there are a couple of exceptions, but most of them have policy year maximum benefits. And let me explain what this means. A policy year maximum benefit is the maximum number that an insurance company will pay out in claims over the course of the policy year. Now, these plans work based on policy year, not calendar year. So the difference is a policy year is when your plan starts. So let's say your plan started July 1st. Well, every year it will reset for the new year and you'll get a new annual maximum payout limit on July 1st, okay? Calendar year is when it resets in January, so that wouldn't be the case. This is a policy year, not a calendar year, okay? But your policy year maximum benefit, depending on your area, is $1,000 per year, $1,500 a year, $3,000 in a lot of areas, and in a couple select areas, $5,000 maximum benefit per year. Phenomenal. You can choose to have the plan with either a $0 deductible, or you can have it be a little bit less in monthly premium and have a $100 deductible per person. That does not apply to preventative services, so that's kind of nice. So let's kind of jump into the actual benefits of this plan. So your preventative services are going to include dental exams, 2 per year, cleanings, 2 per year, bite wing x-rays, 2 per year, and fluoride treatment for individuals age 16 and under, 2 per year. And these are covered when you go in-network at 100% of the contracted rate. So really, really phenomenal. Again, that doesn't go towards the deductible at all. Your basic services are going to entail limited oral evaluation, diagnostic consultations, emergency palliative treatment, panoramic x-rays, and a multitude of other things. You can kind of see it for yourself. You know, fillings, basic oral surgery, non-surgical extractions, basic restorative services. And those are covered at 65% day one of the policy, very, very strong. And then after you've been on it for 1 year, it goes up to 80% coverage up to your yearly maximum benefit. Your major services. This is kind of a big deal because most dental plans cover 0% of your major services in the first year. This is one of the very rare exceptions where they will cover anything day one of the policy. Again, these plans have no pre-existing conditions exclusions. They have no waiting periods because you have first day coverage on everything. And they are guaranteed issue. There's no health questions or anything like that. They're also month to month. You can start them whenever, you can stop them whenever. Your major services are going to entail crowns, implants, major restorative services, endodontic services. Now, the implants do come at a bit of a limitation, however. The implants come at a lifetime maximum of $1,500, and that's it. But they cover 20% day one of these items, and then after you've been on it a year, it goes up to 50%. So this is very, very good. Now, if you have, let's say, a family member that is under a certain age, they can get orthodontics, and there's some coverage for that as well, okay? Vision and hearing services. So for your vision, you have eye exams, single lenses, trifocal lenses, refractions, bifocal lenses, progressive lenses, and those are covered at 60% day one, 70% after the first year, and then 80% after year two going into year three and beyond. Very, very good. Your eyeglass frames and contact lenses is a $200 per year maximum benefit, okay? You do have, however, a 6-month waiting period on your eyeglass frames, so make sure that you keep that in mind. Your hearing services, okay? So you have hearing exam, and then you also have hearing aid and necessary repairs for supplies. The hearing aids have a 12-month waiting period. They'll pay up to $750 maximum per ear per year. So this is a very, very good plan. Its benefits are very rich. One thing that I like about it compared to other dental plans is it has the option to go to $3,000 and $5,000 in select areas, maximum payout limit, which is a lot higher than a lot of plans are. And in connection with that, it has some coverage for implants. Most plans don't provide any coverage for implants. And in addition to that, it has first day coverage on all of the dental services. Most plans have a 12-month waiting period on your major work. This is a very, very strong plan. It's why we recommend it very heavily in a lot of different areas. We're licensed in 45 states to be able to help Medicare beneficiaries with certain things. If you'd like to learn more about what this plan looks like in your specific area, please call our office today at 801-255-5340 at Christian Brindle Insurance Services. We would love to be able to take a look at this for you. There's no cost for our services. There's no obligation. And just let them know that you'd like to look at the dental plan we discussed in this video. And one of our team members will be happy to look at this for you, give you the overall details and information. And if it's a good fit for you, we can definitely help you get set up on this plan today. Dental vision hearing is a crucial part of your health. It is, in my opinion, a real shame that Medicare does not come with these coverages already built in. And a lot of the Medicare plans are limited in this coverage in addition to that. So we highly recommend having a very strong dental vision and hearing plan. Reach out to us today. There's no cost, there's no obligation, even if you just wanted to get an idea of what the price looks like in your area. The price is going to vary depending on where you are, so that's why we couldn't tell you specific prices. The insurance companies typically don't like it when we broadcast their name like this, on the internet, so that's why we did not mention the company name, but we'd be happy to tell you what the company name is when you reach out to us for more information. Make sure to comment your thoughts down below. Also, if you'd like us to reach out to you on this plan, make sure to like this video if you like this type of content and you'd like us to put out more information like this on products that we recommend in many situations. And make sure to subscribe. We put out weekly videos to help you with your Medicare. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. We'll talk with you soon, and happy Medicaring.